I need your 100% attention. I need your 100% attention. Don't show me attitude. Don't show me attitude. Who is your attorney? Who is your attorney? Opposite sexes attract each other. Opposite sexes attract each other. She has an attractive personality. She has an attractive personality. What are the attributes of this element? What are the attributes of this element? You are my audience. You are my audience. Who is the author of this book? Who is the author of this book? I don't have any authority. I don't have any authority. Can you put it on auto? Can you put it on auto? That movie is not available. That movie is not available. I was an average student. I was an average student. I try to avoid conflicts. I try to avoid conflicts. The next award goes to Mr. I. Fechtner. The next award goes to Mr. I. Fechtner. Are you aware of the circumstances? Are you aware of the circumstances? We need to bring awareness in the society. We need to bring awareness in the society. Don't go away. Don't go away. The taste of this burger is awful. The taste of this burger is awful. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Come back to me. Come back to me. Do you have any background knowledge? Do you have any background knowledge? I'm bad. I am bad. He was badly hurt in an accident. He was badly hurt in an accident. I need a bag. I need a bag. The baker bakes bread. The baker bakes bread. You need a work and play balance in your life. You need a work and play balance in your life. The boy is playing with the ball. The boy is playing with the ball. Why did they ban this movie? Why did they ban this movie? I am a part of a band of brothers. I am a part of a band of brothers. This is the best bank in the country. This is the best bank in the country. She is standing on the bank of the river. She is standing on the bank of the river. The bar is too high. The bar is too high. She works in a bar. She works in a bar. He barely escaped a major accident. He barely escaped a major accident. How many barrels of water are left? How many barrels of water are left? You can't go beyond this barrier. You can't go beyond this barrier. This is an important Air Force base. This is an important Air Force base. I don't know how to play baseball. I don't know how to play baseball. This is a basic English vocabulary course. This is a basic English vocabulary course. Basically, you are right. Basically, you are right. On which basis are you arresting him? On which basis are you arresting him? Can you pass the fruit basket? Can you pass the fruit basket? I love to play basketball. I love to play basketball. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? My car's battery is dead. My car's battery is dead. Who won that battle? Who won that battle? To be or not to be? To be or not to be? She is on the beach. She is on the beach. I love beans. I love beans. There are 3 types of beers. There are 3 types of beers. Don't beat your children. Don't beat your children. You are very beautiful. You are very beautiful. Beauty ends on you. Beauty ends on you. I can't come to the office because I'm sick. I can't come to the office because I'm sick. What has become of you? What has become of you? I sleep on my bed. I sleep on my bed. Where is your bedroom? Where is your bedroom? Do you drink non-alcoholic beer? Do you drink non-alcoholic beer? I should finish my work before I go on vacations. I should finish my work before I go on vacations. Let's begin. Let's begin. Human beings have been fighting from the beginnings of time. Human beings have been fighting from the beginnings of time. He has a bad behavior. He has a bad behavior. Behind Enemy Lines is my favorite movie. Behind Enemy Lines is my favorite movie. I'm being polite. I'm being polite. What's your belief? What's your belief? I believe you. I believe you. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. I belong to a respectable family. I belong to a respectable family. The temperature is below freezing point. The temperature is below freezing point. Please fasten your seat belt. Please fasten your seat belt. I'm sitting on a bench. I am sitting on a bench. I can't bend this iron rod. I can't bend this iron rod. What's beneath the water surface? What's beneath the water surface? This course will benefit you a lot. This course will benefit you a lot. I also work in a company besides making YouTube videos. I also work in a company besides making YouTube videos. You are a good person besides this. You are a good person besides this. Fechner is the best online teacher. Fechner is the best online teacher. I can bet on it. I can bet on it. You are better than this. You are better than this. I sleep between my breaks. I sleep between my breaks. You can't go beyond this point. You can't go beyond this point. Bible is a holy book. Bible is a holy book. It's big. It's big. I live in a big house. I live in a big house. I like to ride a bike. I like to ride a bike. Waiter, please bring me the bill. Waiter, please bring me the bill. The population of the world is over 7 billion. The population of the world is over 7 billion. Can you bind these papers into a book? Can you bind these papers into a book? Who is her biological father? Who is her biological father? I love birds. I love birds. He was happy on the birth of his daughter. He was happy on the birth of his daughter. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Can I taste a bit of your pizza? Can I taste a bit of your pizza? You can take a bite. You can take a bite. I have a black car. I have a black car. The blade of this razor is very sharp. The blade of this razor is very sharp. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. It's cold. It's cold. Can you please give me a blanket? Can you please give me a blanket? Blind people can't see. Blind people can't C. This building is made of mud blocks. This building is made of mud blocks. What is your blood type? What's your blood type? Blow the candles. Blow the candles. I love blue color. I love blue color.